Someone passed me this sheet that I found that my back just really hurts from being the one cool single friend. Don't you say there are fish here in the sea? They still live with their moms under dark blue navy sheets. Got to get my tarot cards read so I don't end up with this loser instead. Well, here's my Mr. Right. Must have gotten lost on the train overnight. Met a blonde, blue-eyed girl and he called her Sweet Jolene. And they rode off in the sunset and he never met me.